y'all fools doing? What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another vlog. Evan is following me. Today we're heading over to Autowerkes to get this baby some new tires and get Maryland inspected so we can get tags on it. Bye! God, I can't get enough of this car.
I think that's everything. There's one.
Is that one of them? Damn! Let's take it outside. Let's put it next to the car.
Are you going it up against the other one?
Yeah, just put it up next to it. That's one fat tire. All right, she is up in the air. About to put some new shoes on her. They already started the inspection, the Maryland inspection. Tires are, man, they are bald. Get up in there so I can check out the undercarriage. How is it? We failing? Good?
So far, not too bad. Tires are a little low.
Let me show you guys the pain in the ass Maryland inspection we have to go through down here. But it's pretty much for safety. Checking the steering, the tires, alignment, making sure you have reflectors on there. Now notice, look, it's got a screw loose, just like us. Or like you. Look how bald those tires are. Still needs a paint correction, a thorough detail, which we will get to. Yeah, the red one, it was sketchy. The reason I got turned off mostly was because that AC issue that was hidden. And the only way I found is I started calling every dealer, every service center. I started calling them to see what was actually serviced. And they said that it wasn't blowing cold air. Yeah. And I called the service station after that, and they said it was never fixed. So after I asked them, can you go turn the AC on, make sure it's blowing cold? Then they started ignoring me after that, where I was about to send it for PPI, and
they were waiting for the right person, that's all.
Some dummy to just come and say, oh, I got money, I'm buying an R8.
Yep. I mean, these things were so expensive. These were like $5,500 brand new.
$5,500 new?
Yeah, $5,500 brand new.
If you guys are looking for some new wheels, Neil here at Autowerkes is selling these. Hit them up.
True 3-piece, 50/50 hidden hardware. They're super light.
What size are they? 18s?
Yeah, they're
19s? I just found these McLaren wheels back here. They would look so good on the R8. I wonder if the hub matches. Brand new tires. They look nice. They're just sitting here.
You love them, or are they junk?
I think I love them to death. Oh my god. They're all covered up underneath just like it, but...
Yeah, we're talking about the Vantage, because I was looking at getting one, a V12, but I don't think they get enough attention.
They definitely don't, but they deserve so much more.
Yep.
They're beautiful cars.
And they're quick. I've seen some YouTube videos on them. Tires just got done. It's gonna take it for a spin for 2-3 miles. Then we'll be done with the inspection. And then we'll be heading over to the Motor Vehicle Express. Well, it's not an express. It's a third party company that does tag and title. And I'm going there, I'm gonna pay a little bit extra because the motor vehicle needs an appointment. The lines are ridiculous and they work slow as molasses. All right, we are good to go. We have new tires. She's Maryland inspected. We have hard tags. She's legit.
We tried to do this outro outside, but it is way too windy outside. If you enjoyed this vlog, please make sure you smash that like button, subscribe if you're new. We'll see you guys in the next video.
We out.